Welcome to Network Administration in Practice. In the next few minutes, we will explore the essential skills for designing, configuring, and securing enterprise networks. From IP addressing to firewall configuration, we have it covered. Let us get started. We begin with the foundational concepts of network design that every network administrator must master. Network administration builds on a set of core concepts that govern how data moves across infrastructure. IP addressing is the foundation of all network communication, determining how devices find and reach each other. Subnetting helps us organize networks efficiently, improve security, and reduce broadcast traffic. VLANs let us create separate broadcast domains on the same physical infrastructure, improving security and performance. DNS is the phone book of the Internet, converting human-readable names into the IP addresses that networks use. DHCP automates IP address assignment, eliminating manual configuration and reducing the risk of address conflicts. Now let us explore how routing protocols, switching technologies, and security measures work together to build reliable networks. Choosing the right routing protocol depends on the network size, complexity, and performance requirements. OSPF converges quickly and scales well, making it the go-to protocol for enterprise networks. EIGRP combines the best features of distance vector and link state protocols with rapid convergence. BGP is the protocol that holds the Internet together, managing routing between autonomous systems worldwide. Static routes give us full control over traffic paths and are ideal for simple or highly predictable network topologies. Systematic troubleshooting separates experienced administrators from those who guess at solutions. We start by clearly identifying what is broken, who is affected, and what changed recently. We systematically isolate the problem to a specific layer, device, or network segment. We use tools like ping, traceroute, and packet captures to test our hypotheses about the root cause. Once we identify the root cause, we apply the fix and verify that normal operations are fully restored. We document everything so future administrators can quickly resolve similar issues without starting from scratch. Firewalls are the first line of defense. Understanding different architectures helps us choose the right protection. Traditional firewalls provide solid perimeter defense based on network addresses, ports, and connection states. Next-generation firewalls go beyond port and IP filtering to inspect application traffic and detect sophisticated threats. Securing a network requires a defense-in-depth approach that addresses vulnerabilities at every layer. Segmentation limits the blast radius of any security incident by preventing lateral movement between network zones. Locking down physical and logical access points prevents unauthorized devices from connecting to our network. Continuous monitoring gives us visibility into network traffic and alerts us to suspicious activity in real time. Keeping network devices updated closes known vulnerabilities that attackers actively exploit in the wild. Let us recap the essential insights from our exploration of network administration in practice. Without proper addressing and segmentation, networks become unmanageable and insecure as they grow. Choosing the right routing protocol ensures our network remains stable, efficient, and scalable. Following a structured troubleshooting methodology prevents wasted effort and ensures reliable problem resolution. No single security measure is sufficient. Layered defense protects our network against diverse threats. If this preview was helpful, the full Udemy course provides hands-on labs, configuration walkthroughs, and real-world scenarios. Enroll today and master network administration in practice. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, keep your networks fast, secure, and well documented.